What is a mouse? A computer mouse is a necessary tool when working on a computer. The mouse lets you point to objects on your screen, click on them, and even move them. You can also use the mouse to scroll or move through different parts of your screen. In this lesson, you will learn about the parts of a mouse and practice using one. The parts of a mouse. Every mouse is a little bit different, but generally, there are 4 main parts of a mouse: the left click button, the right click button, the body, and the scroll wheel. Look at your own mouse and see if you can find the different parts. Holding a mouse. It's important to learn the proper way to hold a mouse. To get started, follow these steps. 1. Gently rest your palm on the mouse. 2. Place your thumb on the left side of your mouse. If you are left-handed, place your thumb on the right side of your mouse. 3. Place your index finger on the left button. If you are left-handed, place your index finger on the right button. 4. Place your middle finger on the right button. If you are left-handed, place your middle finger on the left button. 5. Keep the base of your wrist on the mouse pad or desk. Pointing and clicking a mouse. To use the mouse properly, you will need to know how to point and click. When you click, you are telling the computer what to do, like clicking Send on an email. To click, press the left mouse button with your index finger and then quickly let go. If you are left-handed, press the left mouse button with your middle finger. Scrolling. Scrolling is a way to move up and down on your computer screen. You can scroll by rolling your scroll wheel up and down or by clicking the up and down arrows in the scroll bar.